Nakamtaki video hakeleng ka pertai. Subscribe yu like napang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel. Kakubuar ka bakrau dung Donald Trump. Namar ka India kala pelan berpenihir keputih ke Pakistan. Halor ka jingja ha Pahalgam. Uprai mustar dungi Narendra Modi. Ula dia penlong ka jinyalang berki sipai baper jong ka ri India. Bat ula ai boreki. Bakin penon kami ka bor. Ban kruit ka Pakistan batiki leno. Hakano ka por. Halor ka to ka jingja syak siap dungi pajba. Ha Pahalgam. Jong ka Jammu bat Kashmir. Hapdeng ka jing septing ha Pakistan. Donald Trump ulap hak daka kubuar ka bakrau. Yaga India. Lingba ka nongerap jung. Haka bakal ai jingkran ha White House. Sepang ka jingya kan ad jong ka India ber Pakistan. Ka Tammy Bruce. Kabade ka nong aitin jong ka US. Kelapan pau ba sekretari jong ka US. Nun saya keren bat ki arngut ki foreign minister jong ka Pakistan bat jong ka India. Halor ka jingya kan ad jong ka Pakistan bat ka India. Naka daw ka jingja bas ngosri ha Pahalgam. Sekretari jong ka US. Unsa senangnya ka India bat ka Pakistan. Bakim day ban penhe ya ka jingya kaja.
So we are reaching out regarding the Kashmir situation, India and Pakistan. That he said we are reaching out to both parties and telling, of course, them to not escalate the situation. The Secretary expects to speak with the foreign ministers of Pakistan and India as early as today or tomorrow. He is encouraging other national leaders, other foreign ministers, to also reach out to the countries on this issue. So it is, again, as I've noted, every day action is being taken. In this case, the Secretary speaking directly to his counterparts in India and Pakistan, we expect certainly the impact he's usually had with the individuals he's spoken with, and certainly with President Trump's leadership, India and Pakistan, having those conversations. It's very important for them.